Good morning, beautifuls. Oh my goodness. It has been a long time since we've done a vlog style vlog. It is Monday, December 27th. Welcome to the garden. We were under a snow warning yesterday, and yes, we got an extreme amount of snow, and it's still coming down. So I thought I would touch base with everyone and say hello and good morning. How are you doing? Look at the garden. My gnome. He's got snow-covered problems over there. So the snow is really deep. We could go for a walk through the garden and clear the solar lights. Let's go see if we can save gnome first. So it is Monday. Hello, good morning. Hello, everyone. Hello, Char Stars members. Thank you for your patience as the universe aligns me. I know it's kind of just been a weird couple of weeks here, and to be quite honest, like as hubby said at the beginning of the year, somebody came along and shook my box of ants. And it got really crazy. And oh, poor little gnome, shake you off. And sorry. And the universe just absolutely halted me. You see that gnome? Isn't he cute? And so, as I talk to you guys about it in our readings and stuff, I have surrendered to the universe and I've let it guide me. So I think this time off has allowed me to figure out how to do some things better. Look at that rock right there. You see that rock? That rock is standing upright in my garden, and I think it's over a foot tall. And that's how deep the snow is. My boots aren't very deep. Let's go for the long walk then. So I really see how far it's banked up the house too. I appreciate you're holding space for me right now, and I am so excited to say I picked up some cards yesterday, and the universe has guided me so well, and the way I read yesterday was just so different and so incredible. You can't believe how much snow came. Yeah, let's see. And I'm very excited to read for you guys. And like when I was trying to push through it, the universe is saying, no, wait. And I'd go to set up, and then I'd start crying, and then I'd have to journal, and then there's things I'm dealing with. And I feel like I'm letting you guys down, but at the same time, I feel like I'm setting a really good example because we're growing together. All right, into the pristine garden. Like even the sun is blotted out today. It might be too deep. It's so deep that, oh no, it's so deep that it's over my boots. There's snow in my boots now. All right, so it snowed. I told you guys I'd give you an update. So here we are. We got Nomi out. A very deep snow. So yeah, I'm very excited to share this next adventure with you guys. The universe has just kind of halted me, and so I've had to listen. And I really appreciate your love and understanding as we do this together. Oh yeah, it snowed so much. Hanging out, having a vlog. All right. So things will be getting to normal. Things will be going back to our normal. Let's go see what down the street looks like. The snowplows have not been up this way yet. But do you see how deep those are? Are we picking this up? Am I blocking the camera? No? I just can't see it. Why can I not see it? Because it's snowing on me. There we go. Yeah, it snowed a whole lot. But it's so pretty. And I wanted to share it with you guys and just say thank you and happy holidays. And I'm very excited to be allowed to do things again universally. And just really excited to be able to share it with you guys. So I want to say I love you and happy holidays and merry everything. And I hope things are fantastic for you. And I miss you, and I will see you soon. Tomorrow is Tuesday. I do believe we are going to be going live for the card for the day. All right, you guys, I love you. I hope your day is great. I am going to go inside and warm myself up. All the solar lights are gone. All right, I love you. I hope your day is great, and I will see you tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. Mwah.